the 22nd week of 1989. Even though this is a 1989 VHS, but it only uses the 1984 tape master, in which it's still a 1984 VHS because it still has the first variant of the acid trip warning screen at the beginning. Since this is still a 1984 VHS, however, even though this is a 1989 VHS. So just want to give you proof on that. So, yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. The 142nd day of 1997. And the 26th week of 1997. And I know there's another copy of the 1984 VHS that comes in the original 1984 casing and the tape itself. And then there's a 1991 VHS. And I think there might be a 2002 VHS of this movie, I think. I'm not so sure. Which I'll get them as soon as I can, which I don't have a massive yet. But even though I'm still taking a break from buying more tapes and other stuff until I get my own place in an apartment, and until on my 34th birthday in 2026, that is. Just until further notice. Oh, and I forgot to mention the Canadian copies of this film. And in my VHS reviews of Flashdance and Young Guns 2, I forgot to mention, the Canadian copies of them as well, too, and those VHS reviews of those movies, that I forgot to mention the Canadian copies of them as well, too. Along with Footloose as well, too, that I forgot to mention. So sorry about that, you guys. I do apologize for that. But that's okay, though. It happens. And I'll get them as soon as I can until further notice, and until I get my own place in an apartment, and until on my 34th birthday in 2026, that is. As I just said in one of my announcement posts that I just recently posted. So I just want to give you guys proof on that, so yeah.